Hello everybody, my name is Andrew Greenwell with AGI Farmobile, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to associate crop type and crop variety with a historical or active planting activity. So first things first, go ahead and log into your Farmobile Data Engine account, where you'll be taken here to our dashboard. Next, you're going to click on this Inputs tab, where you'll be taken to the Seed Variety screen. On this screen, you can see a bunch of different crop types and crop varieties that have been added, but let's go ahead and add a new one. So to do that, click on this New Seed purple button in the top right. The crop year is already defaulted to the current crop year, so we can leave that. And then you select your crop type, your brand, and a variety. If your variety is not already listed here, be sure to reach out to your AGI Farmobile representative and they can get it added in a matter of a couple minutes. Then we're just going to go ahead and click Save. And look at that. We can see our crop type has been added to the 2022 corn list here. We suggest you go ahead and put in all your crop varieties all in one go, and that will create a quick pick list so that when you're in the cab of your machine or when you're working through it on a rainy day, perhaps, it's pretty quick and easy to associate these varieties to a planting activity. Now that we've added all our plant varieties and types, we simply need to go and click on the Machines tab. On this tab, we can see an active planting machine here with the green icon. Let's go ahead and click into that. And we'll see the tile at the top. There's this little edit button. Go ahead and click on that. Come down to the bottom here, we can see the corn has already been selected, but there's been no variety input. So those are two varieties that we've added so far. So let's go ahead and click on one of those. You'll see that once you click on the left half, the right half will auto-populate to the same variety. If you want to change it, you can do so. And the last thing we have to select here is the Now button or Startup. So for now, that means that if I click this button, click Save, that means from this point forward, from when I click Save, this variety will be shown in the data record. Now, if I click from Startup, which is what we typically recommend, that's showing that from when I turn the key on, this is the variety that we use to plant. So that's usually really helpful as you're kind of getting started in a field. You might not have the time to get into the data engine. So once you're making your field passes, you can click from Startup and that'll associate the entire field to that crop variety. So let's click Startup and Save. This also needs to be pre-populated there. And boom, there we go. We can see corn and that variety is being associated. Next, let's go into a historical view. So in the same fashion, go in and click on Machines, click on your planting tractor, click on the historical toggle here in the center, and then let's go back to May 2nd, where we had a planting event. Here we can see the planting event, a couple fields there, and let's go ahead and click on Edit, and the same sort of deal. Come in here, all the options are going to be the same. You're going to select corn or whatever else you are planting. You select the variety. And the Now and Startup isn't there because this is actually associating this crop and crop type and crop variety with everything that happened on that May 2nd planting day. So let's go ahead and click Save. And now we can associate that crop type and crop variety with that day. So you can go through, this is a good way to do cleanup. So you can go through on individual days and associate those crop varieties that were planted. And so hopefully this was helpful for you. If you have any additional questions, be sure to reach out to your AGI Farmobile representative. Thanks and have a great day.